Hey guys, super stoked today. It finally came in. I know from the previous video I told you guys I was expecting something to be coming in for not the Mazda, something to be coming in for the Lexus IS300, and they are finally here. If you've guessed it or not, but they are rims. Been waiting a long time. They're finally in here, and I've not seen them, so it's even more exciting. You guys are going to see whether I like them or not. For the longest time, I love the style for many months, probably ever since like the beginning of the year, but I couldn't decide what finish I wanted. Either silver and a black finish. I think the exact finish is called black metal finish. Very skeptical about them. I didn't know if I was gonna like them or not, but if I do like these rims, then obviously I will buy the other two. But for now, let's open them up and let's see how they look. Finally it. Are we ready? I don't know about y'all, but I'm super stoked. I have been waiting for months, guys. I can't believe this is happening. This is a big deal to me because I don't know. It just is, okay? And ta-da! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Woo! Yeah! Goodness, look at them. They're gorgeous. Wow, they are amazing. So beautiful. Look. Oh man. Now it is time to weigh them. They are, by the way, 17 by 8, 5 by 114.3. They'll fit the Mazda. They'll fit my car if I want to interchange them or anything like that. So same thing with the Scion TC. Make sure it's clear. Alright, I know they are lightweight and they are 17.4. That's really good actually compared to my drag DR19s. But just so you guys get the idea, check this out. 20.1 pounds. Rims are half an inch smaller, the drag DR19s, and they are 2.5 pounds heavier. Now you know why I got Motegi's. Now you know. Basically, the reason why did I go with the Motegi MR33's track light. There are so many other rims out there, don't get me wrong, but three main reasons why I got these in particular. One being that they are lightweight. They're 17.4 pounds. So there's not going to be too many rims out there that are going to be lighter for the price. And these Motegi's will run you about $125 and $150. So yeah, I didn't even pay, not even close to that. Probably didn't even pay half of that. But that's in a whole different video. So second reason why I went with them, of course, they look so nice and they're easy to clean. Unlike the drag DR19s, they're ridiculous. They only have 5 spokes and they're solid one piece, so they're so easy to clean them. I can clean this wheel in 5 minutes, and this one at least 10 minutes. To get them cleaned properly, probably about 15 minutes each. The only way to clean these is with like a brush, and that takes a long time. There's just a lot of details. And since they're split there, it takes a while to just clean this rim. The harder it is to clean your rim, you're not gonna have them clean very often. So instead of enjoying those nice rims, they're gonna be mostly dirty. And my third and final reason why I chose the Motegi's is because of brand loyalty. I already had bought in Motegi's in the past, and they're very durable. They don't fade away. With my Motegi's that I have bought in the past, I have raced on them, drifted on them, and I've never had a problem with them cracking, nothing with the rim ever. There's not gonna be too many better wheels out there for the price. If you do want some lighter weight, more nicer 3-piece, 2-piece wheels out there, they are gonna cost so much more money. I think they're gonna look amazing on the IS300. Don't forget to watch that video. I think it's gonna come out real nice, guys. So totally recommend them. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comments section. Or if you guys need parts for your IS300, we do sell parts for IS300, so you can check out our link in the description. We'll see you guys on the next video. JD! Look what I got!